The practical utility and
no sir, superiority, sir, superiority. This thing I have sent, you have remarked, it is beautiful what you have remarked on that day.
Okay.
Superiority of Carbobase and completion of ourselves and
comparison with arsenic album, Camphor and Vietnam album. I have done it with lot of efforts.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
You have written fantastic. Seeing this paper.
Sir, yeah, you have sent me 5 scan copy.
Sir, first night. When after a rehearsal. Just after rehearsal. I have sent it and you passed a remark. Fantastic. That one.
Mailbox mail দিয়েছিলেন না?
No sir, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay. That's right.
গৌতম দা ডোজেসটা একটু জিজ্ঞেস করে নেবেন।
সবই হবে, চিন্তা নেই।
হ্যালো দাদা, গৌতম দা কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
হ্যাঁ,
কিছু কথা হচ্ছে না তাই শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
কিছু কথা হচ্ছে না তাই শোনা যাচ্ছে না, ঠিক।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
দাদা দারুণ ভালো লাগে।
স্যার, ইজ देयर এনি প্রবলেম স্যার?
স্যার আমি কিন্তু আপনার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছি স্যার। হাফিজ
got it?
Yes sir, thanks a lot.
Yes,
thanks a lot sir. You see so why many persons the technical persons are asking me frequently why I am mentioning carbovegetabilis, and that is why one of my teachers, the retired director of National Institute of Homeopathy, Dr. Abhijit Chatterjee, first asked me the question, why are you mentioning this carbobase? Why you are not mentioning arsenic album, camphor and Vietnam album? They are so nearer in relation. But I have seen, when I have tried so many books I have consulted, from there you please see carbobase from Alinsky notes, persons who have never fully recovered from exhausting effects of some previous illness, bad effects of long injury. Again, for the bad effects of exhausting disease, again, cachectic person whose vitality has become weakened or exhausted. One thing I must mention, that we, the human being, the human race, even Kant has mentioned in his philosophy, the human race is diseased with chronic one. No one is free from that very chronic disease. So as we are, sir, wait, sir, wait, little wait. As we are diseased from beginning, better to say We are diseased from mother's womb, but not so-called disease. We are behaving like a healthy person. Like this, we have no disease. But no individual is without disease. Everybody is diseased. Someone was with predominant state, someone is with of recessive state. But disease must be there. And as we are not coming from sky, as we are not falling from sky, we have come from our parents, and our parents also come from their parents. They also come from their parents. Like this. So I often tell, my age is 62. No, my age is 62 crores, as because I am bearing, I am carrying the genes of so many ancestors. And that very gene also bearing so many true diseases. When it is recessive, we claim I am healthy, but it is not. So we are injured from our ancestors before coming here. We never the perfectly healthy until and unless treated with homeopathy. See, from pocket manual of homeopathic mathematica by William Burrick, persons who have never fully recovered from the effect of some previous illness. If you think about this, what we have gained the true diseases from our ancestors, we never treated regarding all these things. When we go to the physician of any therapeutic system, including classical homeopath also, we tell them, sir, give me the medicine for having some fever, cold, cough, or pain, or anything, gas, acidity, like all these things. The physician will ask regarding all these things, causation, location, causation, sensation, modality, concomitance, desire, aversion. After this, he will prescribe one medicine. Other pathy, they also observe all these things, ask all these questions regarding the problem of the patient, and will give the prescription. But they never think why this person come with this little simple cold cough. Why? Why and why? And that is why the prescription is superficial. Like Kane, a converted homeopath from America, James Tyler Kane, nicely mentioned, given the valuable instruction, prescribing for the results of the disease causes changes in the results of disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. We can all see today the person is very much healthy, strong and stout. Once problem the person has to face, someone is insulted in one occasion. After this, that very individual was having severe headache after this insultation, and physician was called and medicine was prescribed. But no problem previously, only this insulting remark caused within him severe headache. I have told that very person was very much healthy, strong and stout. He always claimed, I never take any medicine, as because I am perfectly healthy. So no doctor is needed. And laughing with the diseased one, you are a person taking medicine today and tomorrow. What are you doing? You be with like this. See, look at me, what I am. That very strong and short person got severe headache after insulting remark. So please think. And after that, so many problems he had with him, as because in his family history, his father had snake bite, his grandmother had CA uterus, or carcinoma of the uterus. His mother has difficulty in breathing. His son is affected with severe pneumonia at the age of 9 days. So it is very clear, I think so. Everybody is clear with me that nobody is perfectly healthy. Those who are claiming healthy, the health is relatively healthy. Nobody is absolutely healthy. It is impossible until and unless treated with real homeopathy. So it is not for, it is for anybody. That person may be a physician of other therapeutic system. It is valid for everybody, each and everybody. Nobody of us is perfectly healthy. As we are not perfectly healthy, when immunodeficiency occurs, it is mentioned in the practice of medicine, Davidson, practice of medicine, Harrison. If you see, there it is written, if the immunodeficiency occurs, any person can easily infected with any infectious diseases or non-infectious diseases, even also with cancer. So in that case also, everybody, the immunity of everybody should be boosted with proper treatment, that is go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. Again, number 3, sir, next page. Next page, please, sir. You see, from Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by Clark. Very nicely, he has told it is suited to conditions where there is a lack of reaction to low states of the vital power, where the venous system is engorged, debility of greater intensity than carbonemylase, to children after exhausting diseases, to old people. Again, same thing. It is a question of immunity. Number 4, from the keynotes and red line symptoms of the Materia Medica by Dr. Adolf von Lippi, he has nicely mentioned, especially adapted to adenemic diseases with great prostration. There only arsenic is mentioned. Number 5, from lectures on homeopathic Materia Medica by J.T. Kane. But it is a great monument to Hahnemann. The carbobase, which drug, the only with this drug, Hahnemann comments the very valuable word. What is it? The great monument mentioned in Kane's Materia Medica. Even ulcer is once established, it will not heal. If you consider this very ulcer, you can consider the unhealthy state, the chronic disease state, the relative healthy state. Next page, please, sir. Next page, please. Number 6, from Homeopathic Drug Pictures by M.L. Tyler. And yet carbobase debilis is one of the most powerful and precious remedies, at times a veritable corpse reviver. That very word, you should mind it veritable corpse reviver. In Bengali, it is Jathathoi Mita Sanjivani, Mritodehe Pran Sancharkari, a veritable corpse reviver, as one has seen. And it is one of the striking proof of the valuable Hahnemann's great discovery in regards to the liberation of power in inert substance by dynamization or subdivision of particles. 7. From plain talks on Mathematica with comparison by Willard I.D. Peirce, he has mentioned nicely, Carbobase is adapted to persons who are suffering from exhausting diseases. In this point, you may ask, we are not suffering from exhausting diseases, but if you think from where you have come from your parents. They are having so many diseases. Father had difficulty in breathing distress. Mother had tuberculosis, or mother had breast carcinoma, or grandfather had cirrhosis of liver. So how one can demand that he or she is perfectly healthy? So perfectly healthy is imaginary until and unless that very individual is treated with a real homeopathy. Carbo-adapted person was suffering from exhausting diseases, and especially when exhausted from the loss of vital fluid, hemorrhages, sweats, diarrheas, seminal fluid. It seems to control hemorrhages, especially in older persons, and in a general way act as a tonic in conditions of great frustration. From ancient Guernsey, one of the best prescribers that ever lived, to the following effect. No truer remark was ever written than, again I am telling, no truer remark was ever written than that carbovegetable is especially adapted to weak and cachectic individuals whose vital powers have become weakened. This remark is made particularly clear in the light of those cases in which disease seems to be engrafted upon the system by reason of the depressing influence of some prior derangement. Please mind it, this very word, by reason of the depressing influence of some prior derangement.
Next page, please.
Okay. Wait. Prior, what is meant by prior derangement? That very prior derangement is what we have inherited from our ancestors. Like this, my grandfather was an addict. My grandmother was a cardiac patient. My mother was a tubercular. My mother had a chronic headache. My father had piles, or my son has chronic headache. All these things we are having is in a recessive state. But we are having. It is in recessive state. But we are having. We are not having. It is imaginary. As I am not suffering, so I am not having. It is imaginary statement. So it should not. Now, again, comparison with that. The arsenic album. Bad effect of decayed food or animal matter, whether by inoculation, olfaction, or ingestion. It was mentioned previously. In China, they are eating so many harmful things, so many uncooked things, so many bad dog and everything. From that thing, they may be great frustration with rapid sinking of the vital fluid.
এত শব্দ কেন?
Again, respiratory system arsenic album from Alinsky, breathing. Okay, you listen because we have to turn another page soon. Breathing, asthmatic, must sit or bend forward, springs out of bed at night, especially after 12 o'clock, unable to lie down for fear of suffocation, attacks like croup instead of usual urticaria. One thing I want to mention that the arsenic has a critical situation. It is mentioned in many books. But you please consider this one. In this very critical situation, what it is the result of the disease. It is not the true disease. It is not the sole cause. It is only the result of the disease. And I have mentioned the Masters James Tyrrell Kent mentioned, if you treat the result of the disease, it will be okay very soon. But gradually it becomes complicated day by day. So if you consider this very point, that I have prescribed arsenic for this critical situation. So in real homeopathy, it is not done, and because real homeopathy create a perfect healthy state, and this very perfect healthy state will boost the immunity of an individual. See, in our country, especially in West Bengal, Bangladesh, the drinking water is polluted with arsenic. Again, the experts is suggesting for taking arsenicum album to save from coronavirus. You please think about this. Is it should be or should not? My earnest request, please consider this point. Is it should be taken or not? And this the arsenic is also a poison. Nothing also this, every medicine has poisonous effect, even also carbovin. If it is taken unjudiciously. And again, camphor. Great coldness of the surface with sudden and complete prostration of the vital force. It is the last situation of a patient. Like similar situation, not same, similar situation is mentioned in case of carbovin. Brittam album, adapted to diseases with rapid sinking of the vital
Next,
force.
please.
Complete prostration and collapse. Again, similar situation like carbovin. So please, we should not consider this very situation. We should consider how this thing is happening, from where it has started. What is the main cause? The main cause is immunodeficiency, which is created by 6 true diseases, what we have inherited from our ancestors. So consider the point. We should not consider the critical situation. We should consider the sole cause, and that very sole cause also solve the problem, the present critical situation. Camphor. From Jetican, camphor produces a coryza with a profuse discharge from the nose and from the air passages, from nose to bronchi. some expert also suggesting about camphor for treating corona patient. And that very medicine also for the critical situation